I can't shoot him if I can't see him. Oh, this chopper is like A's.
I know it is. Not very good handling.
Connor, it's on you now.
I know.
I can't shoot that chopper.
You have to lose him before we can go. That's what he said. Don't come back here unless you watch the G-Man.
Yeah, we lost him. Don't run into those three. Copter, copter, copter.
Not
Go
the
stealth
wind
mode,
farm,
go stealth
not
mode,
the
go
wind
stealth mode,
farm.
Stealth mode, stealth mode. Go stealthy, Connor.
Oh wait, you're right.
That's the military. That's the. Oh my God. That's the. Oh,
That's
you almost
the
went right
prison.
over the prison.
Yeah, I've done that before. Okay, now we can
No,
go.
of course.
Oh.
What the heck?
And- It's only 2 stars. It's only 2 stars. There's no choppers.
Stop, stop, stop. We're here. We're here. No, don't land. Don't land. You have to lose the cops first.
I mean, they can't see me up here, can they?
Yeah, we're good. I don't have stars.
Where is it?
Sandy Shores. It's the one right in front of you.
Oh, it's telling me to land at the airport.
Don't shoot.
Fuck
Who's
is
doing that? That must be a player.
What?
Where'd I got him?
This is
What?
a setup mission.
No, I mean, no, I saw a player.
Who's shooting? I'm not doing it. I swear to God, my hands off the
I
mouse.
think those are just NPCs blowing up. I'm gonna be honest with you.
I don't have power to shoot missiles. I only have a machine gun.
Well, I can't feel this.
Please don't
Connor,
crash,
Connor,
Connor.
oh my
Not the
God.
engines cut out. Not oh God part 2.
Why are you?
Oh no!
What?
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh
You're
God.
dead, you're dead.
I shot the biggest. No! 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 Wait, that's Matt!
You- Somebody get that?
I hate you! I hate you! You're worse than Connor!
Somebody get that.
Somebody
clip
clip
it,
it!
clip it, clip it.
Somebody clip
No!
that!
Flip it! I hate you!
We were in the.
We were done! We were done! We were done!
The ball is on the hot app.
We still have to restart. This is
Why,
just so-
Connor? And why Matt?
Why are you?
Matt, why? I hate you. If I ever
Oh
see you
my
in life
God.
again,